always, like, metaphorically described our childhood as, like, him being the landowner and us the people who work on the land.
My parents didn't encourage us to communicate with society, so we were kind of shut off. Always lived in this apartment.
In the summer, there was more chance of us getting out. Sometimes we go out once a year.
This is like 3D, man.
It's very fresh out here.
And at one particular year, we never got out at all.
So movies opened up another world. If I didn't have movies, life would be pretty boring.
This outfit is made out of cereal boxes and yoga mats.
We didn't make any friends. We were homeschooled.
I did everything I could to escape my world.
I kind of thought, why don't we do those films? It makes me feel like I'm living, sort of, because it's kind of magical.
I remember being very scared of going out into the world.
He thinks there's somebody following us. I guarantee there's somebody following.
My father, his system was just like a ticking bomb. What did he expect when all of us become of age? We're still gonna do things his way?
I don't think our father knew we had it in us. I guess he always saw us as the little boys who couldn't. And then we transformed into the boys who can.